Hi friends, welcome back to our post-CRUD frontend application. Last class we have completed the login form. In this class we are going to configure the React router for our application. React router means we are going to switch to one page to another page. Like React router helps to, we are going to switch to the one page to another page. Like if you see the websites like here, if you go to the here, like it is a home page or dashboard page, you can think like if you go to the dashboard page, if you go to the this home page, if you go to the switch to the sign up page or sign in page, sign up page or sign in page. Here we are not going to switching. We are not able to switching from the one page to another page. For this, you have to configure the React router. For this, you have to configure the React router. For that, we are going to visit the reactrouter.com website. In this, you have to visit the doc section. You can visit the GitHub also. In the GitHub also, you have the documentation, but we are visiting the doc section. Documentation. Here, it contains so much of content, but we are going to only refer the some kind of content only, or based on what required for our application, or what things are required for our application. That things only we are going to see in this official documentation of the React router. If you see, we are going to the two things are there here. One is the framework, get started for the framework. One is the library. We are going to here, we go to the switch to the library, get started for the library. Here, first it is given the in the library section, he has given the some prerequisites or some requirements he has given to fulfill this React router. First is the node at the rate 20, node 20 version, and the second one is React 18 and 18 above the 18 version, and one more is React DOM 18 version. If you see the, if you go to the our project, here you can open the new terminal. Before going to the see the what is the required in the application, we are going to see whether the node.js is installed or not. For that node hyphen version hyphen version. See, if you see the V 20.15.0, the node is installed. It is in the 20 version only. You can kill this terminal, and if you go to the see the what are required are dependencies installed in our application, you can see using the package.json file. Here if you see here, there is a one json file is there, json file in that uh, in this dependency section is there. Here you will able to see the react dom. It is in the version of 18 and 18. These both are in the 18 version and above the 18. Come to the my official documentation of the React router. Then you can install the React router from npm. Copy this thing. Come to the application. Come to the project. Here, open the new terminal. Paste here. You can paste here, or you can type the here. Type here npm install React router. Npm install React router. See, installation is completed. You can kill this terminal, and if you see in the dependency section again, it is automatically refreshed with a new dependencies like React, new dependencies like Axios, React DOM, and React Router also installed with 7.1 version. Now we can close this package.json. See, now come to the once again the official documentation. We are going to see the how to use the this React router. First, you have to import the browser section. Import this browser section. Come here and come to the our main.jsx file. Here, import this section. You can paste or you can write the this import this import the browser router from the React router. Then wrap the browser router inside the wrap the browser router wrap the browser router inside the render function. Wrap the browser router inside the render function. Come to the my application. You can cut this and browser router and paste the inside. If you want to see the application is running or not, see application is still running. Eh, if you go to the in the route section in the next route section, you will able to see the here different kinds of routes are there. One is the here if you see here, one is the routes and one is the route. This routes is the parent for the all the routes, all the route. Routes is the parent for all the routes. Here we are going to configure a one route for the app, another route for the login, another route for the registration. Like that, we are going to configure in the here. Come to the my application. Import the two things also. One is the routes and one another one is the route. You can cut this again. Once again, you can cut this. Write the routes inside this route path slash. I'm going to making this as a root and element. I'm going to write this here. I'm going to and you can write like this also. You can make it as a self-closing also. I'm going to make this as a self-closing. If you see here, it is self-closed only. And if you want to make it as a if you want to make configure the another routes also like login sign up like login registration and about it like that you can configure like that also. We have so much pages like that. If you see equal to route path equal to uh, login I'm giving here sign in element equal to what is that. You can import these things also like import login from dot slash component slash login dot jsx. And same like you can import the register also dot slash component slash register dot jsx. Close this one also and same like one more route sign in sign up. This is not sign in sign up. This is the registration element equal to register slash and close this. If you go to the once again application, after this refresh this application and if you want to see this, this is the root. This is the root of the application. If you go to the suppose login or sign register for login, I have given the sign in. See, you're getting the login page, login form. So there is some contents are missing like a background styles and background styles and center the item like that. I'm going to explain that one in this class only. Don't worry. First to see the what we are able to we are able to seeing this form is available or not, form is getting or not through routes. Next one, if you want to see the sign up, you can go to the sign up. See, you are able to see the registration form. For sign in, you are able to see the login form. See how we have configured here like this using the routes. But in the app component, if we, in the app component we have defined some common styles for the all the elements like all the pages like all the pages like login page and sign up login page and registration page and post page also this post page also to make this as a appli- common component or common page for the uh, all the pages we are going to define the one nested row I'm going to make this as a, I'm going to make this application as a nested route for the, for all the make, but for all the pages, like I'm going to make this as a nested route for all the pages. Next route for the all the pages. I'm going to make this as a common for all the pages. Like this background will be visible for the all the pages, like login form, like registration form, like it is visible for the post form. We are going to see the same background for the all the pages. For that, we are going to see the one more concept of nested routing technique or nested routed concept. If you are able to go to the documentation in this, here given the nested routing also. Like see, here you have already given, but it is a nested routing in the separate name is given nested routing. You are able to see find the some nice documentation for the how to make the nested routing. See, route which component you are make going to common for the some components. You can make that component as a root component for some components. Like I'm going to make actually, I'm going to make this as a I'm going to make this app.jsx as a root component for or root level parent level component for some components like post, like login, like registration. I'm going to make this as a parent component for all this. For that, these under like which way like post, login, and registration. These are the comes under child components inside the app component. To make that thing, we are going to first create one route. I'm not first we are going to create one route for path equal to slash element equal to, I'm going to take app slash, here I'm going to take like this one element I'm going to take, but I'm going to place this all three elements inside this, all three elements inside this. You can make this format also, format this document as C. But here I'm going to change to post, post. This one I'm going to make it as a root, or you can take the any name also. But if you take this any name, suppose I'm going to take this as a dashboard page. Suppose I'm going to take this as a dashboard page, dashboard slash dashboard. It these all things are comes under dashboard. Suppose you have taken this as a slash. Suppose you have taken this as a slash like a root. This if you able to see this post page, you can type the directly slash. Slash means it will comes to the post page. If you're able to see, if you're able to see the this login page, you have to type the slash sign in. Slash sign in. Sign in, it will go to the login page. It will go to the login page. If suppose you will able to go to the, if you're able to go to the this registration or register component or registration page, you have to type here slash sign up. You will able to reach to the register page. We are going to see here in the browser also. We are going to see in the browser also. Suppose I'm going to the my browser, refresh the application. See, make this as the index, and it is not showing any mistakes I done. Come here documentation, come here documentation, path dashboard, route index element equal to section here. I forgot the outlet. You have to export this outlet in the where you are going. Actually, this is my parent element is dashboard element, dashboard dashboard component. But here I'm going to show this. I'm going to inject the outlet. It is coming from the same React router only. If you make this, if you inject this outlet only, we are going to see the uh, We are going to see the child components or child pages. See, go to the my app here, able to first import the, you can remove this one, import outlet from React router, remove this one and inject the outlet slash inject the this component. Now we can refresh the application. See what is the still I'm not able to running. You can console this and post is not defined. Where somewhere by default come here and come to the application main.jsx. Maybe I not imported the posts from column slash dot slash component slash post. Now you can refresh the application. You can remove this one and you can remove. Okay, I will remove later. First, see, I am able to see the post page. I am in the root. If you go to the, suppose you will go to the login or registration page. First login, you can use the slash login. See, you will able to get the background images also uh, through app component. Through app component, we are going to getting the this. Only my page is injecting automatically. If you this app is a my parent for the all the pages. Parent for the all the pages means here what things we have defined inside this app component, that pages will be present inside this app component. Suppose by mistakenly I have written this one in the outside of this thing, automatically I cannot get the these things like this background image and this item center these things I cannot get. Suppose you will able to see that. See, sign in. If you go to the sign up page, see, I'm not getting any other styles like a background image and mm, text align center. These things I'm not able to getting by because of I'm not present inside the I'm not present inside the that this parent. I'm not present inside this parent router. If you want to inherit those things, you have to place inside this thing. Place inside the this app router. Sorry, not app router. Inside this app parent element. Parent element of the app. You can define the n number of nested also, but first you can define the n number of these things also, but our application only these things only. That's why I have defined this routes only. I have defined this routes only. If you see the if you see I'm changing here dashboard page. Suppose I'm changing here slash dashboard. Automatically this page I'm not able to get by because of I have changed my endpoint. If you want to see the route element, you have to go to the slash dashboard. Automatically in the slash dashboard suffix only, I'm going to see the my post page. If you want to see the sign up or sign in, I'm going to visit the sign in, sign in. See, you are not able to see like this. To visit that page, to visit the login page, you have to must and should insert suffix prefix with slash dashboard slash sign in. Slash dashboard slash sign in. Because of I have given here slash dashboard. We have given slash dashboard for sign up also. You will go to the registration page. You can change this one to root element slash. Now we can post, sign in and sign up. Sign in and sign up. Like that, Same like this, we can create the n number of nested routes also according to our requirements. But in my application, it contains it consists of the only three things like a post, login, and registration. In the future, if you want to increase these routes, we can increase as well as also. But in future, we will see the increasing of these routes and configuring the routes for the other routes also, configuring the router for the other routes also, like change password, this seeing the profile section. We are going to see configure routes for those things also. If the pages are increasing, we are going to configure the routes also here. That's all, friends. React router is completed. If you want to any doubts, you can refer this documentation actually. First, go to the installation section. You can refer the installation and then go to the route section. You will able to find the how to use this router techniques, configuring the router and nested router also, configuring the nested router and the layout router also. You will able to find the so much of content in this router, reactrouter.com. For the library, you can use this one. For frameworks, you can use this one. If you want to see the one tutorial also given, if you want to practice the like book address or addressing book, you will able to see the one tutorial also. You will able to find. You can if you want to practice this entire tutorial, you can practice this one also. You have given for every like component what you have done. You have given diagrammatic representation also. See, it is the he is going to achieve this thing. To achieve these things, he has given from starting level also, like from starting to end what he is giving in each and every code. After completion of the code also, he is giving the diagrammatic representation also. See, he is giving diagrammatic representation like this. If you have interested to refer this or learn the entire reactrouter.com, you can visit this the official documentation. You can practice those things. That's all from configuring the React router is completed. Uh, you can like my if you like my content, if you like my explanation, please like the video and subscribe the channel and support the channel.